Hello, Reza. Let's discuss our tasks for this week at Tech Solutions. What projects are you currently focused on?
I'm currently focused on the marketing campaign project.
That sounds great, Reza. What specific goals do you have for the campaign?
I aim to increase brand awareness significantly.
Increasing brand awareness is important. What strategies will you use?
I plan to utilize social media and influencer partnerships.
Those are effective strategies. Which social media platforms will you use first?
I will prioritize Instagram and Facebook.
Good choice, Reza. How do you plan to engage your audience on these platforms?
I will create interactive content and engaging posts.
Interactive content is a great idea. What type of posts are you considering?
I'm considering polls, quizzes, and visually appealing graphics.
Those elements will attract attention. Have you set a timeline for these posts?
Yes, I plan to post weekly updates.
Weekly updates sound manageable. How will you measure the campaign success?
I will track engagement metrics and conversion rates.
That approach is essential. Do you have specific targets for these metrics?
I aim for a 20% increase in engagement.
A 20% increase is ambitious. What challenges do you foresee in achieving this target?
I anticipate competition and audience saturation as challenges.
Those are valid concerns, Reza. How will you differentiate your content from competitors?
I will focus on unique storytelling and originality.
Unique storytelling is effective. How will you develop this content consistently?
I plan to brainstorm ideas regularly and collaborate.
Collaboration will enhance creativity. Who will you collaborate with for this project?
I will collaborate with team members and creative professionals.
That sounds beneficial, Reza. Do you have a primary point of contact in mind?
Yes, I have a team member in mind.
That's helpful. When do you plan to meet with your team member?
I will schedule a meeting later this week.
That sounds good, Reza. Will you share your campaign ideas during the meeting?
Yes, I will present my ideas for feedback.
Gathering feedback is crucial. How will you incorporate it into your plans?
I will adapt my strategies based on their suggestions.
That is a smart approach. Do you have a way to track their suggestions?
Yes, I'll document their suggestions for future reference.
Documenting suggestions is wise. How will you prioritize these changes?
I will prioritize based on potential impact and feasibility.
That sounds logical, Reza. How will you communicate these priorities to your team?
I will present a clear action plan during meetings.
Presenting a clear action plan is effective. Will you also provide updates regularly?
Yes, I will provide updates at each meeting.
Regular updates will keep everyone informed. Do you have any questions for me?
What insights do you have about effective campaigns?
Effective campaigns focus on clear messaging and audience understanding. Utilize metrics to adjust strategies.
Thank you for the insights. I'll incorporate them.
You're welcome, Reza. I'm glad to assist you. Good luck with your campaign.
Thank you. I appreciate your support and guidance.
You're welcome, Reza. It's my pleasure to help you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I look forward to our next discussion.